Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk cash. Or, more specifically, let's talk about Cash App. You know that popular app for sending money to friends, family, or even that random dude you met at the coffee shop? Yeah, that one. But have you ever wondered how much Cash App actually charges you for sending money? Like, if you're sending a cool $100, how much of that dough is actually making it to the other person? I know, it might seem like a small amount, but hey, every dollar counts, right? Especially when you're trying to budget or save up for something. So, let's dive into it. We're going to break down the fees, the different ways you can use Cash App, and some tips to help you save some cash while using Cash App. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's clear something up. Cash App doesn't charge a flat fee for sending money. It's a little more complicated than that. The fees depend on a few things. How you're sending the money. Are you using your bank account, debit card, or credit card? How fast you want the money to get there. Do you need it instantly, or can you wait a couple of days? Whether you're sending it to another Cash App user or someone else, there's a difference. So, let's start with the basics. If you're sending money from your bank account to another Cash App user, the good news is, it's usually free. Yeah, you heard that right. No hidden fees, no surprises. Your $100 will go straight to your friend without any deductions. But what if you need the money to arrive instantly? Well, that's where things get a little more interesting. Cash App offers an instant transfer option, but there's a fee for that. It's usually a percentage of the amount you're sending. So, for a $100 instant transfer, you might end up paying $1 or $2. Not a huge deal, but definitely something to keep in mind. Now, let's talk about sending money to someone who doesn't have Cash App. This is where things can get a bit more expensive. Cash App often partners with other payment networks to facilitate these transfers, and they might charge fees. So, if you're sending $100 to someone's bank account, you could end up paying a few bucks more. Another thing to consider is using a credit card to fund your Cash App account. While it might be convenient, be aware that Cash App typically charges a fee for credit card transactions. This fee is usually around 3%, so on a $100 transaction, you'd be paying an extra $3. Ouch! So, to recap. Sending money to another Cash App user from your bank account is usually free. Instant transfers come with a fee. Sending money to someone without Cash App might incur additional charges. Using a credit card to fund your Cash App account will likely result in a fee. But wait, there's more. Cash App also offers other services like Cash App Invest, Cash App Boost, and Cash App Card. Each of these services might have its own fees, so it's important to understand how they work before you start using them. Now, I know we've covered a lot of information, and it might seem a bit overwhelming. But the key takeaway is this: Cash App can be a convenient way to send and receive money, but it's important to be aware of the fees involved. By understanding how Cash App works and the different options available, you can make informed decisions and save yourself some money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your cash flowing.